From AI-powered coding and human verification tech to Google's Simplify and Docker's game-changing MCP tools, plus a Lego space shuttle that will launch your imagination, all that and more on this episode of The Download. Welcome back to another episode of The Download, the show where we cover the latest developer news and open source projects. I'm your host, Credential, developer advocate here at GitHub. Now let's get into it. GitHub Copilot Edits has officially landed in JetBrains IDE, making code refactoring as smooth as your favorite latte art. This feature allows developers to refactor, optimize, and iterate on their code directly from Copilot Chat, with the ability to preview changes and accept or reject them with a click. It's like having a personal code assistant who doesn't drink all your coffee. Developers, rejoice and start editing. GitHub has unveiled a Credential Revocation API, a superhero in the fight against exposed personal access tokens. Found a stray token wondering where it shouldn't be? This API lets you revoke it in bulk, limiting potential damage faster than you can say, oops. Just don't abuse it. There's a limit of 60 requests per hour. OpenAI's recent update to GPT-4o took sycophancy to new heights, and not in a good way. The overly agreeable AI was rolled back after users noted its responses were more flattery than function. OpenAI promises more personalization, honesty, and user control moving forward. Because let's face it, a chatbot saying, "You're amazing" is nice, but when you're asking it to debug your code, it's really not necessary. Google's new Simplify feature for iOS uses AI to turn complex web text into something your dog could understand. Okay, maybe not your dog, but definitely your distracted inner self. Using its Gemini model, the feature paraphrases dense material without losing key details. Now you can decode medical jargon or legalese without breaking a sweat. Simplify is rolling out this week, so go forth and make learning effortless. Sam Altman's World project just unveiled the Orb Mini, a mobile device that scans your eyeballs to prove that you're human. Think of it as the next step in the war against AI bots. With plans to open storefronts in major US cities and a vision to eventually double as a point-of-sale device, the Orb Mini is an intriguing mix of futurism and dystopia. Google has started sneaking ads into AI chatbot conversations, turning once ad-free exchanges into subtle marketing playgrounds. These ads are designed to blend seamlessly into the dialogue, leaving you wondering whether that product recommendation was genuine insight or a cleverly placed pitch. Is this the future of AI chat? Only time will tell. But for now, prepare for some commercial whispers in your digital ear. Duolingo is leaning hard into AI, announcing plans to phase out contractors for tasks that AI can handle. CEO Louis von Ahn says this shift will focus employees on creative work rather than repetitive tasks. While this marks a bold step into the future, it's also a reminder that automation is transforming work as we know it. Change is both exciting and a little nerve-wracking. LEGO is celebrating the 40th anniversary of the Space Shuttle program with its most detailed set yet, the Space Shuttle Discovery. At 2,354 pieces, this model includes the Hubble telescope and enough intricate details to make any space nerd swoon. Available starting April 1st, it's the perfect way to channel your inner astronaut minus the zero gravity training. Docker is rolling out an MCP catalog and toolkit to simplify tool discovery and server management for agentic apps. With over 100 verified tools and features like one-click deployment, Docker is making it easier for developers to build AI-powered applications. Attention developers! GitHub's new DevCore collection is dropping on May 14th, and it promises to be totally awesome! Get it? Okay, get ready to show off your GitHub swag in style. Yes, we went there and we have no regrets. Microsoft Build is just around the corner with workshops, talks, demos, swag, and much, much more. Whether you're attending IRL or following along online, it's an event you won't want to miss. Announcements are expected, so keep your eyes peeled on GitHub's channels. And that's it for this week's roundup. Remember, developers, the world of tech moves fast, and don't forget to take coffee breaks in between shipping features and reading the latest developer news. Until next time, keep coding and stay curious. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Bye!